Hey guys, hope you are doing well, wherever you are in this amazing planet. So the crypto market is correcting. So we see a few coins correcting back, but all these rallied really well. Also, just check out the yesterday video about the Polkadot staking. So I just showing you how can you stake Polkadot. So also we will look into, and we have lots of news. So my name is Mike Denkler. I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, DeFi, NFT gems every day to keep you updated and educated. Nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. So everything just for your education and entertainment purpose. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smash the bell notification on, and also smash the like. And we are starting the screen sharing, and let's check our favorite bubble chart and smash that like, smash those like. Then we are here, guys. So you see Loopring is correcting 15%, OMG 30%, and also Cardano correcting. So then I can buy some. As you see, OMG rallied really well yesterday, and also then we see a dump today, but Cardano looks really good if we have some correction, accumulate more. So other coins are just art, BCHA, Algorand, Mana, Hex, and Sand pumping. So we see Metaverse are pumping, Algorand and Layer 1 solution is pumping, Hex is up almost 30%, and all other coins like Solana, Room, Thornchain, Near, Wet, Mina, Comp, so nothing wrong with it. This is a kind of correction, hopefully not a sharp, not a 50% sharp correction, but this is a kind of consolidation. Let's check what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is down 3%, also Ethereum is down 4%. So I think that Ethereum at this level for a long term, definitely a good buy. So also Binance coin is holding strong about 600, and good to see how the crypto market is even correcting, but I think it's stable. So let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. And padam, this is showing us that the index is at 74. This is in the greed zone. Yesterday we were in 77, and also a few days ago the index just went up to 84. So that was an extreme greed out there. And also you remember during September and during summer months, then the index went really low. So that was a huge fear, and when huge fear investors are worrying, then that's a good buying opportunity. But when investors are getting greedy, over leveraging, and selling their kidneys to buy more Bitcoin, then the index is shooting up and staying above 90 for several months and weeks, and then it's due for a correction. So let's go to our first news. Analyst says Bitcoin price dips are transitory, suggesting BTC will soon head to 75,000. Okay, so this is CoinMarketCap, Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView, and let's see Bitcoin dips, and this is from Pladizov Nunya Business. So this is a kind of Twitter chat that I will show to you, and you see that all these dips, all these candles, I think these are monthly candles. All these dips are a support for a further continuation in the price movement. Okay, so let's go and check this. Also, Bitcoin is up. It's forming, this is a kind of cup and holder, but really strange, but a kind of cup and holder. And now it's finishing the holder and also retesting. So I think this 60,000 should be hold Bitcoin. That's for sure. Evergrande and inflation affect the market. Check out the yesterday video. We talked about that. And the recent shocking inflation numbers in the US should be a supportive fundamental drive for Bitcoin prices beyond the short-term tactical selling pressure. Bitcoin is in the process of a necessary retest. Also check this. So it just broke out on the 6-hour chart from this triangle doing this retest, and then these analysts is expecting Bitcoin to shooting up to 75,000. Yesterday's retest was needed to continue the bull run in a healthy manner. I think we will start pumping harder now. Okay, hope that will come true. So let's go to our next news. Smart money accumulating Bitcoin as BTC rallies to new all-time highs. Crypto Insights firm Glass notes say this. What we can see is the around 6.5 thousand BTC are being revived on a daily basis at present. What is also apparent is that this is a relatively low level compared to 2017, 2019, and 2021 bull runs where over 20,000 BTC were revived per day. Okay, so this is the chart, and you see that when these revived things going on, and now just we are here, but that means the revived supply last active 1+ years, then this means that was still accumulating. As a result of continued exchange outflows, the aggregate BTC exchange balance has fallen to multi-year lows of 13% of circulating supply. So that means that Bitcoins on exchanges are in historic low levels at 30% of the total supply. So less and less Bitcoins are on the exchanges. And also if investors want to buy, then they are just increasing the price because the supply is less and less. Next piece of news is, here is what will signal the top of the Bitcoin bull market according to Plan B. Okay, so let's quote. I am not interested in the top at all. When we get there, I know it, but I don't know where it is. I'm not interested in that because I know it will be probably a 1-minute spike, right? I cannot trade it, cannot sell or buy it at that price level. I am more interested in the general level where it moves around. I'm looking at it on an on-chain level, and then you see shortage building to a moment where it pops. We are still months away from the popping moment. I really don't think a crash is coming. I think we will see a bull market that goes on for at least 6 months and brings us into the 100 and 200,000 US dollar range. I wouldn't even be surprised with 500,000 Bitcoin in early 2022. So this is insane prediction. We haven't heard from Plan B this number before, but now he wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin at $500,000. And check out this video, Willy Woo, Clementi, and Plan B. Okay, next piece. Bitcoin to hit 250,000 US dollar in January 2022, but invalidates stock to flow FX BTC price model new prediction. This is okay. Bye 288 stock to flow target. Okay. Yeah. So 288 will be the target price. It will fall short at 250,000 US dollar. And also this is Plan B stock to flow model, that stock to flow model, stock to X model predicts 288, and the stock to flow model predicts 100,000 US dollar model will remain intact, which predicts Bitcoin will reach $1 million by 2022. This will also be used the large players in the years to come. 1 million BTC by 31 for sure, says Bobby. Okay, in 10 years by end of 2031, Bitcoin will go through another 3 block reward halvings. This will bring the block reward down to 0.78 BTC each for a total daily new issuance of just 112.5 BTC. It will be very scarce. Hang on and hodl, he wrote on November. Buy $10 million Bitcoin for sure. So he is sure that Bitcoin will reach $1 million by 2031. Our next piece of news is Bitcoin is the lowest risk asset investors can buy, says MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor. Here is why. Let's quote from him. I think that over the course of Bitcoin up 170% a year. Every year for a decade, Nasdaq is up 19% every year for a decade, and S&P is up 14 every year for a decade. Gold is down 6 per year every year for a decade. Long bonds 240 basis point. Okay, the conclusion you come to declare: if you can't stomach the volatility and the novelty of Bitcoin, you are getting paid 10 times. If you can't stomach it, you sit in the S&P index. The product is simple. It's 121 millions of all the money in the network forever. You are getting away from a board of directors and employee base and the regulatory nexus and the competition, and you already know there is a demand for a non-sovereign store of value. Scarce, they might say it's a speculative store of value, but if it wasn't speculative, it would be trading at 10 million a coin right now. The only thing that keeps it from going up by a factor of 100 is that fact that it's speculative, but otherwise it seems to me it's a lot more risky to buy gold. It's a lot more risky to buy a company, a stock, even a big tech monopoly. I think that the best thing you could possibly have is the volatility that keeps all of the conventional thinkers out of the asset, because that gives you a chance to buy in cheap. Let's go to our next news. Ethereum ranging close to its all-time high. Will ETH price smash 5,000 today? No. Ethereum corrected back to 4,500. Ethereum price gearing up to climb close towards the new all-time high. The asset is well placed to hit the new all-time high and trend within the discovery phase to hit levels around 5,400. Okay, so for sure for today, Ethereum hasn't reached this all-time high, but Ethereum is going up really nicely in this rising channel, and from the top, from the bottom of the channel to the top of the channel, and doing this movement. So I think this is supporting, and now we are at 4,500, so still in the channel. Okay, so that was not a lot, but we will check Ethereum on TradingView. And let's see, this is also about Ethereum. Ethereum 5,000 breakout imminent, pundits wait in on the Ether's price trajectory. So guys, everybody just wanted Ethereum to go up about 5,000 today, but not Ethereum wanted to do. Okay, in the recent JP Morgan report says Bitcoin taking a 15% downward swing and Ether seeing a remarkable upsurge. And let's quote from Black Tower Capital: I definitely think there is a really good chance for Ether to surpass Bitcoin. I wouldn't be surprised if it happened within the cycle. So surpassing by market cap, so not in price, but in market cap. And also Ethereum surpassing Bitcoin in several other metrics, like in daily transaction, number of the daily transaction, and sometimes the transaction volume, and also a lot of other metrics. Bitcoin is a store of value. It's a digital gold. And so its market cap at most is going to be somewhere around gold, maybe larger, because it has some properties that are better than gold. But that's roughly the benchmark you are going to use to cap its market size. But Ethereum, guys, Ethereum, as you know, Ethereum is a financial trail with the smart contracts and all with decentralized finance. So that will capture more and more transactions with time. Our next piece of news is Miami major residents will get digital digital wallets for Bitcoin. So we are just celebrating this from Miami because El Salvador did the same as well. And now as Miami will just distribute some free Bitcoin to citizens because they they succeeded with the Miami coin and they made a couple of 10 million US dollar with the Miami coin. So Bitcoin yield from Miami coin as a dividend to its resident who will get digital wallets from the city. This is, guys, this is adoption. Okay, Miami token has earned over 21 million US dollar for the city since it's launched in August, which at this pace would generate roughly 1/5 of the city's annual tax revenue, he said. 1/5, 20% of the city's annual tax revenue within 3 months. Guys, this is huge. This is the new economy, what Miami coin and Miami is doing here. Okay, so Suarez expressed hope that at one point down the road, his city could run without taxes, echoing his previous statements on the Miami coin. So guys, I will move to Miami. I will move to Miami. I like the weather. I have been a lot at the West Coast, but I will move to the East Coast to Miami. Okay, so also the major is paid in Bitcoin, as we already know. The next paycheck will be 100% in Bitcoin. And so this is definitely huge, guys. This is how the new crypto economy is just building in the government and in the countries, municipality levels. So definitely this is something that other cities should mimicking. And also New York, the new mayor of New York City also wants to make New York a Bitcoin city or crypto city. So this is definitely good news. Next piece of news is Sotheby's will take Ethereum bits in real time for Banksy auction. So there will be an auction. Banksy, these are the trolley hunters, and then they will accept auction in real time in Ethereum. So this is huge. This is another use case that these auction houses using. Next piece of news, Rarible marketplace. Rarible, one of the biggest marketplace after OpenSea. Rarible marketplace users can now create, list, and trade flow-based NFT collectibles. This is huge because flow is really cheap and fast, so you don't have to pay this high gas fees when you mint NFTs, and this is definitely huge news with this flow blockchain integration. Okay, what else do we have here? So that's all. Definitely check out Rarible, and you will be able to see some nice offerings there, and also you can mint for just pennies. Okay, extremely low gas fees. So yeah, it's written here, extremely low gas fees and the swift user experience with Flow. And Flow blockchain is really good. Yeah, and that was a news yesterday that Twitter announces a team for the focus on crypto dApps, NFTs, and blockchain technology. And this is definitely huge because until now, Jack Dorsey, the founder of Twitter, just focused on Bitcoin developments. He supported Bitcoin developments. He's a huge Bitcoin pioneer, but now Twitter is coming into crypto, decentralized applications, NFTs, blockchain, and I'm sure that Twitter will be the next decentralized social media because they want to integrate decentralized DeFi and decentralized technology. So I think they are on the right track. Let's go and check what other coins are doing here. Let's check the TradingView chart. As we see, Bitcoin is correcting. This is a hefty correction, correcting back. So that was the first move, just some side waving and the next dump. So now I think maybe Bitcoin will come down to this 60,000 level. So we are not far away, but around 60,000, that was a lot of trading volume and a lot of touching points. So I think the next support should be somewhere at 60,000. I would definitely buy some and maybe also considering opening a long position on Bybit. Let's check what other coins are doing. Algorand just shot it up, and yes, so Algorand left this consolidation zone and now targeting a new all-time high. So this was a nice move, and also a huge volume came in. So I think they released some new products, and then also there is a supporting trend line. So I would definitely trade some Algorand if coming down, and I can buy here at the trend line. Other coins, almost every coin consolidating, but nothing wrong with it. Binance coin is 60,000 is a good resistance for now, and the next major resistance is 50 at not 50,000, 500 and 550. Okay, what else? Also, we see that Bitcoin shorts just started to pump. So this is why Bitcoin is falling, because some short positions are going around, and also long positions started to decrease. Yes. What else do we have? DOT. Yeah, DOT is coming down, but I think DOT, yeah, so I expected DOT will just go up as this DOT parachain auctions started yesterday, but it seems that DOT is consolidating further. So I think this 40 US dollar levels should act as a support for now, but now it's coming back to this trading range, and also broke down this trend line. So not looking good technically, but definitely check out the parachain auctions. I will share some information with you. Ethereum is doing well. I think Ethereum is moving in this trading channel, but now just dropped out from this channel. So this is bearish news for now. So I think Ethereum will come down to 4,300, and the next level to watch for 4,240 and 4,000. But I would definitely buy more Ethereum and also opening longs as Ethereum is coming down to these levels. What else? Guys, please write in the comment section what is your price prediction for Bitcoin at the end of the year. Is your favorite altcoin besides CorionX? Moonriver is correcting also. So Moonriver is one of the parachain correcting back. So good to see that we can buy Moonriver at lower prices. Shiba Inu yesterday bounced on the support, and now it's trading below support and resistance. I don't have any clear direction for Shiba now, but we'll watch these. Sand looks really good, and Sand left our buy zone, and also correcting back to 38.2 Fibonacci levels, and now it's trading above. And then good to see that Sand broke this. So maybe I will do the retest. Also, Cadena is just correcting. Cadena like this pattern shooting up, consolidating down. So I will buy up some Cadena when it comes down. Hopefully, it will come maybe to these 80 and 60 levels. So, guys, let's check these DOT minting. So first, come and just make your DOT wallet. You can make a DOT wallet on polkadot.gs.org, Polkadot, and you will find the wallet here, apps wallet. Then you are doing your wallet in the account session of these applications, and then you can go and click on the link I shared in under the video, and then you come here. Yesterday I staked my DOT, so you are coming here on my link. If you are using the link, that you will get an extra because Parallel has this nice promotion. You are putting the amount. You should come at least with 5 dots, and then just you are clicking and then contribute to Parallel, and then it will be contributed. And also lots of other bonuses. So the basis is 15% on your DOT, and these are other bonuses, so definitely worth. And if these crowd loans ends, and then maybe not within the winners, that it will be just distributed well back, but I think that they will succeed with this, and then it will go for 2 years. And also you connect your wallet here. So also check out CorionX farms on Binance Smart Chain. So come and you see that we have nice rewards, 230% on CorionX BNB pairs, and 544% on CorionX BUSD pairs. So come and use our farm. So we are working on some things, but I don't want to share anything yet. So definitely keep it up and stake your CorionX until we are moving forward with some developments. So thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please smash the like, share this video with your friends, and also write in the comment section what is your favorite altcoin and what is your Bitcoin price prediction for the end of the year. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your weekend. Go out with family. Bye-bye.